How to download Capcut on your iPhone devices. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, all we have to do is to open up our app downloader on our device, which is the App Store. Now you can just go ahead and open it up, and once inside you will then be presented with this screen right here. All you have to do is to navigate through the search icon at the bottom of your screen, which is this one, and once inside you want to search for CapCut. Right after, you can just go ahead and look for the CapCut video editor. It is made by the ByteDance Pte Ltd. Now once inside this page, all you have to do is to click on the download button that you can see on the App Store. In my case, since I already installed this application, it only has the open button. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.